The St. John's has its share of unique and overlooked characters. There is always a whistler, traveler, or toiler to be found at every bend. We stumbled upon Rand Spees, who, by profession, is truly a master boat builder and restorer of old wooden vessels. The Welatka Maritime Museum is filled with beautiful works of art. Each boat was handmade by Rand Spees' dad, Richard Spees.
The story behind the Linda B, I'd already built quite a few boats, and my wife come in the barn where I would build them, and she says, you know, I get the feeling all I'm doing is cooking for you and doing your laundry. Well, I could see that there was something wrong there because she never says anything. And then I said, well, she left. So then I built this smokestack here, and I called the boat the Linda B after her. So how could she turn down the fact that I named a boat after her? So then I could build 3 or 4 more.
And so, dodging a domestic ambush, Mr. Spees quickly cobbled together 2 brass umbrella stands to build a smokestack. How does one top that off? Why, with a brass flower pot, of course.